Hello guys, so I was walking along the street and I found this tree with so beautiful purple flowers. I don't know yet what its name. I'm gonna find out. But look what I found on it is its pods. And I think I can make something wonderful and beautiful piece out of these pods. So please stay tuned and um, soon the video is coming to show you how I will transform this pods into something else that would last eternally and will be a part of my eternal bouquet. So stay tuned guys, don't miss that video and I hope that I inspired you of this. Thank you so much. More blessings to you. Have a nice, wonderful